In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an unread folder in Outlook. We'll start right in your web browser. Open your preferred search engine and type Outlook. In the results, click the official Outlook website from Microsoft to launch your mailbox. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and do that so you land in your inbox. Once you're in Outlook Mail, look to the left-hand sidebar. This is where your account name and all your folders live. Move your mouse over that area and look for the three-dot icon, often called More Options. It usually appears next to your account or the Folders heading. Click those three dots to open the menu. From the menu, choose Create New Folder. Outlook will create a new folder entry right in the list and highlight its name so you can start typing immediately. Give your folder a clear, memorable name. Something like Unread Mail works well because it tells you exactly what you plan to keep there. When you're happy with the name, click the check mark to save it. You'll now see your new folder in the sidebar. If your list is collapsed, click the small arrow to expand it so the folder becomes visible. A quick tip on how this works. A folder in Outlook is a container for messages. By itself, it doesn't automatically gather unread emails from everywhere. If your goal is to quickly view only the messages you haven't opened yet, remember you can use the Unread filter at the top of your message list at any time. Click Filter and choose Unread to trim your current view down to just unread items, no matter which folder you're in. Think of your new Unread Mail folder as a place to organize and stage messages you want to read later. You can manually drag emails into it to keep them all in one spot, and you can rename or move the folder at any time to fit your workflow. Another small best practice: keep folder names short and consistent so they're easy to scan. If you rely on this folder often, consider adding it to favorites so it's always at the top of your sidebar. And if you ever don't see the three-dot menu, try hovering again over the sidebar labels. Outlook sometimes hides extra options until you move your mouse over them. That's all there is to it. You've created a dedicated Unread Mail folder, saved it with the check mark, and you know how to filter by unread when you need a quick, focused view. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing in Outlook.